Mr. Stan 913 here. We're in Portsmouth, New Hampshire, and we are walking around in Portsmouth here. We did a boat tour to the Shoals and Star Island. You can see that on our page as well. But this is the downtown area, Portsmouth, New Hampshire, and we are walking around. We're going to have dinner tonight in here. Just really cool little town. So I'm going to walk through here, and why don't you join me? This is a brewing company. Well, it looks like it's for sale, but this was Portsmouth Brewing Company. But just the shops here are really cute. There's a lot of restaurants that sell, that serve a lot of fish and lobster. We're going to a place that does, kind of mixed of everything. But yeah, this is really cool. So nice little town. That's Portsmouth, New Hampshire. I'm just down by the water here because it's a little bit cooler, and I can see the actual tides going out now. So if this is your first time watching, welcome. Please don't forget to subscribe. If you'd like to receive future notifications, hit the bell. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Mr. Stan 913, Portsmouth, New Hampshire. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon.